Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Nutribullet Ultra, Nutribullet's most advanced personal blender yet. We'll cover everything from design and performance to its unique features and how it compares to other blenders on the market. Let's start with the design. The Nutribullet Ultra sports a sleek, modern look with a graphite finish and a touch interface. Unlike other models in the Nutribullet range, this one features a glowing control panel that activates when you attach the cup. It's a stylish addition that gives it a premium feel on your kitchen counter. The blender also comes with Triton Renew cups, which are made from 50% recycled materials, reflecting Nutribullet's commitment to sustainability. Moving on to performance, the Nutribullet Ultra packs a punch with its 1200-watt motor and redesigned, rapid extractor blade. During my tests, it effortlessly blended everything from silky smoothies to chunky hummus. The blade design is sharp and effective, although you'll need to be cautious when cleaning it due to its sharp edges. It handles frozen ingredients well for the most part, though it can struggle a bit with larger ice cubes. One standout feature is its noise level. While not whisper quiet, it's noticeably quieter than many other blenders I've tested. This is a great plus if you're blending in a shared space or early in the morning. In terms of usability, setting up the Nutribullet Ultra is straightforward. All parts click into place easily, and the touch controls, while sensitive, offer 30-second and pulse modes for precise blending. However, I found the controls a tad too responsive, occasionally starting unintentionally when placing the cup on the base. Cleaning the Nutribullet Ultra is relatively easy, with dishwasher-safe cups and blades. However, it's essential to rinse them immediately after use to prevent food residue from drying and becoming difficult to clean. The design does have some small nooks that can trap food, so a brush might be handy for thorough cleaning. Overall, the Nutribullet Ultra stands out as a premium option in the personal blender market. It's designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality in their kitchen appliances. While it comes with a higher price tag compared to other Nutribullet models, the performance upgrades and sleek design justify the investment, especially if you're a frequent smoothie or dip enthusiast. That wraps up our review of the Nutribullet Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.